Well, here we are. We got our first decent rain. Started last night and it's been raining ever since. Can't do any train watching, unfortunately, because of the weather. Just waiting for it to let up so I can go inside. I'm not afraid of getting wet, I just have some important paperwork I don't want wrecked. Florida is probably getting slammed right now with a hurricane, the Cat 4, which I hope to God they ain't getting that, because that's gonna be bad. A line of bad weather this year. We've had maybe a couple good thunderstorms and some tornado threats, but nothing major.